news. Siren head spotted in Bermuda, California. Residents on edge. October 30, 2025, Los Angeles, CA. Subjects unconfirmed. Reports of siren head in Bermuda's Park, West Coast. Warnings. Authorities in Bermuda are investigating credible sightings of the legendary urban legend siren head lurking in Hamilton Parish mangroves, described as a 7-foot tall entity with a metal body and blaring sirens. The creature is said to emit ear-piercing wails that disorient victims. Details. Location near St. George Island, 900 miles from Florida. Witness. Torres Alex Chan, CA resident. I heard a scream like a jet engine at 1 a.m. So 2 pipes were ahead in the trees, ran to the hotel. Bermuda police no evidence but avoid coastal areas after dark. Report anomalies to 441-297-1212. U.S. Embassy no threat to California but monitor updates. Impact on California, no sightings in CA but social media panic. Siren head PH trends. LA County Sheriff, urban legend, stay skeptical. Advice, lock doors, avoid isolated beaches, carry earplugs, fact check. Siren head, created by artist Trevor Henderson, 2018, no proof it exists. Next step, FBI monitoring. Breaking news. Siren head terrorized Texas, airs fluttering whales, echoes across the Panhandle. October 30, 2025, Austin, Texas. Subject, multiple witnesses report siren head in Dallas County. Authorities on high alert. Confirmed sightings at 7:45 p.m. CST. October 29, residents of Rowlett, Texas, suburbs of Dallas, reported a tall metallic entity with the two blaring sirens for a head lurking near Lake Rowlett. Witnesses described it as a 40 feet tall, emitting a deafening screech that shattered car alarm and caused mass hysteria. Eyewitnesses account. Jake Wilson, 32. It stood by the highway. The sound melted my eardrums. I drove into a ditch. Amber red. 8. It looked at me. I hid under a tree. Mom says it licked the road. Local cop. We found no body, but tire truck stopped, absurdly advising no night travel. Official response. Dallas PD. No confirmed evidence but evacuate Rowlett neighborhoods. Report symptom now lost time. Texas DPS. Avoid isolated areas. Carry air protection. FBI, possible prank but monitor situation. Social media chaos. Siren head Texas trends. 1,000 plus claims of the scream in the wind. School closed. National Guard deployed. Survival tip. Black airs, please do not look. Update. Bermuda sighting October 28. Link to Texas event path unclear. So guys, you just have to read the other news. Okay. Read it. Or guys, I will have to edit it again. So guys, you read have all the news. So I'm done in here. Goodbye.